Welcome to this beautiful home in North Caldwell, New Jersey. I'm so excited to tell you all about this home. It is move-in ready. It has a gorgeous kitchen, custom landscaping, a beautiful sunroom that you can see the entire yard. I can't wait to show you, and it's a little chilly out here, so let's go. Now we're in this beautiful renovated kitchen that was customly built. I love the Viking appliances. You have a sub-zero fridge. This island is everything. It can fit so many people. It's perfect for entertaining, and you have storage underneath. You have floor-to-ceiling cabinets, and I love this little wine refrigerator here. And the open floor plan to the dining room, living room, and then this gorgeous sunroom that you can see the entire backyard, all windows from floor to ceiling. It is beautiful. And if you love to entertain, you can enter right in here from the Trex deck. Barbecues, it's perfect for the summer. This home has 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. On this level, there's 3 generous sized bedrooms, and they all have California closets. And there's hardwood floors throughout most of the house. On this level here, we have a beautiful big den, perfect for family gatherings, popcorn, movies. I love this wood-burning fireplace with this whitewash brick. You have a powder room, laundry room, and a bedroom/office all on this level. So right attached to the extended 2-car garage is this beautiful fitness room. Take a look at this gorgeous flat backyard. You have a Trex deck, you have a fireplace that's outdoor. It's such a great entertaining home, and this home has been taken care of meticulously. All you have to do is move in and unpack your boxes. A couple extra features is a full house generator, underground sprinkler system, and this beautiful shed. Thank you so much for coming on the tour with me of this beautiful home at 32 Hamilton Drive East in North Caldwell, New Jersey. If you would like any additional information about this beautiful home or schedule a tour, please contact us today. Share this video with a friend or family member because it's a beautiful home. Make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that bell for future videos. We'll see you soon.